Are you planning to study abroad? Are you interested in becoming mobile phone repair technician? Then you have come to the right place. Book your seat today. The Nepal's first mobile repair training center, Universal Electronics Institute, brings an exclusive offer to Plus 2 and Bachelor's appeared students. Visit our classes, get reviews from students, and enroll today. Training courses that are provided for Plus 2 and Bachelor's students are Basic Mobile Phone Repair to Advanced Mobile Phone Repair. Duration 30 to 75 days. For more info, Universal Electronics Institute, Pako, Newroad, Kathmandu, opposite of Tamrakar Mobile Complex. Telephone number 01534246260 985119872 3.